Hello everyone, very warm welcome to you all. Today we have our AI workshop. This is going to be happen for 2 days. We are totally going to cover 6 AI tools. For today we are going to cover 3 tools. For tomorrow we are going to cover another 3 tools. The speaker of this today's workshop is Mr. Krishna Raj, and he is an industrial expert. Currently, he is working in Observe.ai. It is now situated in Bangalore. So he is very apt to discuss about these AI tools here. So hope this workshop will help you a lot. Okay. Welcome, Krishnaraj.
Yeah, hi Nandini.
Hi,
Yeah,
Krishnaraj.
yeah, hi everyone. Let me introduce myself. I'm Krishna Raj. I'm from Chennai. I'm currently working in a company named Observe.ai. So, in the name itself, it's a AI-based company. And what we do is we do create products, AI products for the customer care service industry. Okay. So, for example, uh, if you are a customer contacting an agent, so by analyzing your audio and everything, we'll give real-time analysis, real-time example like how you approach a customer and how you can speak in this way, that way. And we have similar product to ChatGPT, which is named as Knowledge AI. Okay. So and we are working in some other products too. So in that company, I'm working as a software engineer. I build desktop apps as well as I work in web application. Yeah, this is my introduction. Um, Nandini, my audio is like clear, right?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay, shall we start?
Yeah, start, sir.
Okay, let me share my screen.
Okay.
Yeah, I hope my screen is visible. So as Nandini said before, today we are going to cover three tools. Today we are going to cover three tools, and so let's see the agenda. So the three tools are ChatGPT, that's the most popular one, and the second one is presentation.ai, and the third one is anysummary.ai. So in these three tools, like one is related to everything's related to LLM, like we generally call as large language model, and some AI things like image processing and many things involved in this. So one of the core thing in today's world is like if you don't know AI, that's not a problem, but you should know how to use AI tools. So that will help you to get into place some good company. That will help you to save more time. Yeah, it's about these AI tools. So let's start discussing each and every tool, and we'll move forward. So first, okay. Yeah, let me move the slides a bit. Yeah, okay. So let's talk about the ChatGPT things, and then we'll get into some hands-on experience, like hands-on practices. So there are like in ChatGPT that we use for many purposes, right? So one of the things is so for our industry, for software industry, what we use is whenever we get into any like errors or bugs, we just paste the errors in ChatGPT, and then we'll get that error resolved. So it will give some suggestions. So that might be helpful to get to know, okay, what are the ways that we think and we solve the problems. So it will give some suggestions. So with that suggestion, we move forward, and we solve the issues, errors. Or else if something that I'm not familiar, like for example, writing unit test cases for like any features or something. So I'll just ask that ChatGPT, give me the unit test cases for the particular code. So it will generate some basic test cases. So I'll move from that. So yeah, it will be helpful for me in multiple aspects. So let's see in a generalized way. So in customer support automation, so as I discussed earlier, right, we have a similar product to ChatGPT, which is knowledge AI. So basically, ChatGPT is useful to generate or to explain a particular chat or particular paragraph in a elegant way. So for example, we'll get some customer feedback and we can generate it. So it means the customer support automation. So there are some chatbots that's powered by ChatGPT. So when you put some questions or queries, so it will fetch from your data and it will answer to it. So by this case, you need not to have a technical support person 24 by bar 7. You can get the help of AI to get resolve those issues and to generate content generation for marketing. So basically, what marketing people do is they can use ChatGPT to for any extent. Like they can generate ideas from like in the ChatGPT. They can generate content. They can generate strategies and everything. So it will give all the suggestions and recommendations to it. So next, when it comes to data analyzing process, so data analyzing and report generation, so we have some raw data, right? We need not to do manually analyzing everything and coming to to get a report. So what we do is we just upload those data in ChatGPT. So at the end it will generate a report to us. And then enhancing productivity to AI tools. Okay, I'll say what I do is earlier in the days, right? When I was a uh, fresh programmer. So what I do is when I get a error, I'll go to Chrome or like Google to search those errors and get some solution from some other websites like Stack Overflow and many things. So nowadays, like it will take around 1 to 2 hours to resolve an error. Okay, so if you have ChatGPT and many other AI tools, what we do is we just go there and put some um, issues. So it will at instant it will generate the solution or it will give a suggestion. So it eventually saved my time. So by sticking into a particular problem for a couple of hours, in a couple of minutes we can resolve it. So it will help me to improve my productivity. So in that way, yeah, we'll go to next slide. Yeah, so we'll get some we get to know some how to use ChatGPT. So basically, I'm here like in chatgpt.com. You can go to your browser and put it there, so you'll get into this page. So what I do is when you open it, it will be a blank space like this. So this is a chat box and there is something called attach file. So what you can do is you can upload a picture or file from here. So it will help you to like get answers from it. Okay, so by opening it you will get some suggestions like create an illustration for a bakery, morning routine for productive activity, and some other things. So what I'm going to ask is consider uh, I don't know about testing. Okay, I know how to develop a feature but I don't know about testing. So what I do is I just ask this chat gpt what is testing in software engineering. Okay, or engineering or engineer. So what you do is if you type something wrong, there is a button here. So you just click it. So it will stop generating the result. And there is another thing called edit message. You can click there and you can edit it. So you need not to put everything correctly. So what it do is you just break each and every that message as that text as a token. So it will generate in that way. So you need not to be accurate to get those values, but I'm explaining. Okay, so instead of engineering you can put engineer also. So it will like correct the mistakes in your query and it will auto fetches it. So yeah, it's generating the like as a result. So in software engineering, testing is a process of evaluating a software application or system to identify and correct any issues. Okay, so yeah, like it makes some sense, right? We are using a instead of going to Google like uh what what is testing, going to Google and searching for some articles and getting those results, right? Like by reading those results. So it will, what the chat GPT do is it will collect the data, and then it will give us the thing that it will be easy for us to understand. Okay, so there are, it's saying some steps, like aspects of software engineering, like types of unit testing. We just ask what is testing, but it gives more comprehensive answers, like what's the testing, what's the types of testing, and yeah, like what's the difference between manual testing, automation testing, and everything. So it'll be helpful for you to understand it in a better way. So this is how the chat GPT works. And we can even also upload a document or picture to ask them to generate something new or anything that we can do. So this is about ChatGPT. And the more important thing is, yeah, you can create multiple tabs like we have here, right? Software engineering overview. It auto generates the heading. So have already some chats here, like you can see like all my chats will be available here, so it will store those things. So you can go and like error logging in electron, right? You can go and revisit it, you can understand it in a better way. And there are many more things also. So when you click explore gpts, there are, it's a marketplace basically. By using chat gpt, many people built chat gpt for a specific purpose. For example, I'll give an answer like example. So I have ChatGPT. I want that to accept a document and give me a summarization. Okay. Or consider that ChatGPT should answer the questions whatever I ask. Okay. Or it should be like if I have a doubt in law, like Indian Constitution means, I'll upload my Indian Constitution document and I'll ask questions it. So I name that ChatGPT as a law bot or something else. So it will be helpful for, like Dolly helps to create a image. So there are many more things in this. Okay, can you give me a minute? I'll come back. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, we'll continue it. So yeah, there are many more things. Like you can follow up with ChatGPT. Like, see, ChatGPT is basically from OpenAI, right? There's a YouTube channel in OpenAI. You can go there and learn some prompts. So nowadays there are like prompts engineers out there, right? So they are pay, like industry pays prompt engineers are well. So you can go there and search a bit. So you'll get to know about ChatGPT a lot. Yeah, fine. Like anyone have any doubts here in ChatGPT? Do you want to ask any questions? Like Sweta or anyone?
No, sir.
Yeah, yeah, good, fine, no issues. Yeah, okay. If you have if any doubts, you can ping me, like ping in the chat, or else just unmute your mic and ask me doubts. Okay, let's go for the next thing, the next AI tool, which is explanation.ai. So basically, if you see the URL itself, you will get to know that this PPT is done by, like this PPT that we crafted, right? It's from presentation.ai. So basically, what it does is it will, it have by default it have some, let me show you. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. Yeah, just one. Yeah, so it's the, it's a chat gpt kind of thing. So it will help you to get or generate presentations. So you need not to get into Microsoft PPT and generate the presentation by your own. So you can better try these tools to get into it. Yeah, let me log in. Yes. Okay, just let me just change it to student. Yeah, study case. Okay. So consider I'm a student, and what I do is, yeah. So this is the prompt that we need to give. Like, is the prompt box that we need to give prompt here. So consider I'm a student and I want to create a like PPT related to entrepreneurship or something. Okay. So what I do is, I just give a prompt, create a PPT which explains like what it's about entrepreneurship, right? Which explains, okay, how to become an entrepreneur. Okay. Yeah, this is what I give, and then I'll click submit. Yeah, it will take some time to load, and yeah, that's about introduction. Okay, enter the value introduction. See, everything as of now, I'll give something like entrepreneurship in everywhere. Okay, let's see what it will give. Definition for entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is kind of social work. Just put something there, like just put something. Yeah, steps to become an entrepreneur. Okay, having good social values. Yeah, case studies. We just skip it. Like, is it mandatory or not? Just click something. So all these things are customizable. So once it's generated, you can customize that also. So anyway, we are going to get a PPT, right? Like it's kind of a like Outlook or something. So with that, you can edit and you can make it for yourself. Yeah, use some. Let us use some time to generate it. It's asking, yeah, fonts and everything. Okay, just clear it. Yeah, okay. It's generated. We generated a PPT. Yeah, good. Yeah, fine. As of now, I'm skipping the editing thing. So no issues. Fine. Okay. So you can see that, right? I gave about entrepreneurship, and it's showing something related to entrepreneur. It's a long way journey or something. It denotes it. So so it will generate it in a way that, let's see here. So yeah, see, we didn't give anything here, right? But it everything it's auto generated, and everything makes sense, like innovation drives success, addressing societal needs, economic development catalyst, and everything. Yeah, if you move further, you'll get the core characteristics that the entrepreneur should have: the resilience, vision and passion, adaptability, everything. So like it makes sense, like it's not something that randomly puts, right? When it's related to entrepreneurship, it curate everything. It search in the web. It's not searching in the web, it have already a preset thing. So it's getting all those data from it, and it's a crafted one. So it's not, it doesn't comes under any plagiarism or something, because it's generates everything from scratch. It gets inspiration from some other PPTs, but it's not a plagiarism thing. Yeah. So challenges on the entrepreneurship journey. Yeah, you can see everything here. So similarly, you can do many more things with the presentation.ai. Yeah, it will be helpful. Any doubts in this tool? It makes your life easy. Like when I was a student, I need to go to Microsoft PPT and spending hours and hours there without getting to know like how to use it. Like learning Microsoft PPT itself a 12-hour course available in YouTube. Like it's a time consuming thing. But now this presentation.ai made everything simple. So it will be helpful for students as well as for working professionals like me and even for entrepreneurs it will be helpful, and for like any sort of people from medical, it doesn't think of like it doesn't, it's a cross platform, you can say cross domain, any domain people can use this presentation.ai, so it will be helpful for them. So yeah, it's about presentation.ai, and then let's move into, yeah, yeah, let's discuss about the like use cases. So pitch deck for investors, as I already discussed, internal team presentations, client proposals, training and development materials. So yeah, like there are many use cases in for presentation.ai, that particular tool. Yeah, that's the things. Yeah, next we are going to move for any summary.ai. So any summary by name itself, if you give something like some like 10,000, 20,000, or even a book, it will summarize that for you. So consider there is a book named Rich Dad or Poor Dad. So you are uploading it and you are asking it to summary. So it will give a summary for you. So you not need not to spend entire like hours and hours to read the entire book. If you want to get, like reading a book is a good thing. I'm not talking about that. What I'm saying is if you don't have a time, just like if you have a thesis, if you don't have a time to read those theses, just upload those theses here. It will give you a summary. Like we can say that as an overview, like at an overview what the thesis have and everything. Okay. So let's see about any summary.ai. So yeah, so it's about customizable summary formats. So tailor summaries to bullet points, abstract or code based on specific needs and preferences. Okay. So these are some like their capabilities, like quick generation of summaries. It don't take much time. Like we take much time to read and give a summary, right? So AI don't take much time. It quickly generates the summary, and it's about enhanced content consumption. So in a me like in a very low time you can consume much knowledge, so they are talking about that. And then improved sharing capability, so it will be easy for you to generate a content and share it to your friends or even your like colleagues or anyone. So it's about that. So and then yeah, this is about, we'll come to this afterwards. So let's go to any summary.ai. Yeah, this is the one. So basically, Nandini, is this the app, that any summary.app or something else? Yeah, just try with
No, sir, it
this.
is an AI tool.
Yeah, let me give this as an example. Yeah. So basically, yeah, this is the like any summary.app. So let's discuss about this. So basically, it's asking a document to upload. Okay. So currently I don't have any document in my system. So what I do is it's saying something like summarize from URL. Okay. Yeah, I do read a lot of articles. Let's try this one. Yeah, enter URL. Okay, let's try this. Okay, what I do is I do read articles in money control. Yeah, money control. Yeah, let's talk about Zepto. Yes. Yeah, this is the article that I read before. Okay, see, if you read the article, this article have images and advertisements and everything, because it's a basically it's an article. There's some advertisements running in the right, and there are some disturbance that we see here, right? There are some advertisements again, and then there are read mode, and yeah, it's a huge one, right? I don't want to spend time by reading this. Okay, so what I do is I just go to any summary.app and then I paste this link. I'm clicking get it. Let me see what the result that is giving. Yeah, it started to generate results. Zepto, a quick commerce in India, rise at 340 million in a funding round. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Okay, I read this article before. Now it's giving me the summary of it. Yeah, see, this is how the AI works. Like, I took around 10 minutes to read the entire article. Okay, just see it. It won't take me 1 minute to read the article. So, I can improve my productivity here. Consider I wanted to read 10 articles in a day. I have to spend like 100 minutes in it, right? But using this AI, I need not to spend 100 minutes. I just spend 10 minutes to complete it. So it's kind of 10x productivity, right? I hope you get it. So we can check it from the article itself. Yeah, yeah, you can see here, right? So basically, recently it raised it that 340 million, like in August 29th. Yeah, okay, let me check that. Yeah, it raised $340 million recently with a valuation of 5 billion. Yeah, they're absolutely correct. From General Catalyst, it's a company. Let's see. Let's yeah, see yeah, yes, from General Catalyst, and let's scroll down. That's the 5 billion valuation. That here it's mentioned 5 billion, right? Valuation. Let's check that. Yeah, here the company is now valued at 5 billion. So these are the important things that I want to like. This article is about recent fundraising of Zepto, right? So it's about 340 million that it's already mentioned. So here they clearly said it's a 340 million funding round with a valuation of 5 billion. And they are like they mentioned some their big players like competitors like Zomato, Blinkit, Swiggy, Instamart. Let's see where those things like Swiggy. Yeah, yeah, here it's there. Zomato, Blinkit, Swiggy, and everything. Tata's Big Basket. Yeah, everything is there. And yeah, like their revenue and their it also covers their CEO name Adit Palicha. And yeah, everything is here. Like in 18 months, they are going to for public market. Yeah, everything is there. So what it does is it will generate the content, extract the content, that necessary one that we want to know, and give it as a summary here, right? Yeah, you can copy it, you can download it, you can share with your friends or anyone. Like it will be like I'll click new summary. Let's check some other thing. Let's go to let's something read about like we use Swiggy, right? Like Swiggy, sorry, articles, the blog. Let's see it. Yeah, improving video catches on history. Yeah, like it's a too big one, right? Let's see. Like the important thing is Medium. Like if you want to read some like specific articles in Medium, right? If you keep on using it, it will ask you to subscribe. So like you have to pay money for Medium. Like let's see here, like it will generate or not, or it will be restricted. Yeah, like it's giving some error. Let me try this again. Yeah, it can't generate it. Okay, I thought it's like it can generate anything. Like it have some like URL access like restrictions will be there. Yeah, good. Yeah, it's a good thing that the premium people only access these links, these articles. Yeah, that's good to hear. Yeah, this is the like power of AI, like power of AI, like any summary.ai. It has certain drawbacks that it can't access the premium one, paid one. Yeah, that's good. Anyway, it can't access, right? That's a drawback. And there are many things like you need not to spend much time on reading the all the lengthy articles or lengthy documents. Yeah, it will be helpful for you to save time. So basically this is a workshop related to uh, how to use AI tools that makes your life easy. Okay, so it saves much time and you can be more productive also. So this is about these three tools. And anyone have any doubt in it? Sweta, or any people from Manvaasam training or something?
No doubt, sir.
Yeah, fine. Then handing the meet to you, Nandini. You can continue from here.
Okay. So, sir, thank you so much for such an insightful and engaging session. We know that you expertise in AI tool topic that is truly enlightened us, and the hands-on experience that you gave was incredible valuable. And we are looking for the upcoming session that is going to happen tomorrow. We appreciate the time and effort you put into making this session, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, no issues, Nandini. I'm glad. Yeah, thanks everyone for joining this meet. Thanks, Sweta, and yeah, thanks, Nandini.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, take care.